Alright, let's get into it. My Mac just died because, I was just so busy. I was like so busy, like staring at the chart and stuff that like I didn't even notice that like it was at like 1% or something, and then it died. So that sucks. But anyways, let's just get into it. So we're on the 15-minute time frame. NQ, 5-day volume profile, 30-day volume profile. This is a daily profile. So let's get into it. So we have our support right here from the daily profile, and then we have our some more support right here. We see the shelf. We see how the volume kind of tapers off from this high volume node, and we're near that value area high. Although that'll probably change by the time we get to like New York, because like right now it's still like 1:38 New York time. So okay, let's go up a bit more. And then we have this low volume node. And then we had this support. So it was originally like a resistance zone around here. And then I kind of just moved it up once we got this higher low near here. Like technically I could just draw from here to here and it would be 30 points. I'm not really sure if I should do that or not though. Anyways, we have this LVN looking good. And then we have this shelf here, and this shelf here. And I kind of just extended them to the body of the 15-minute candles just to like, sometimes like having a bigger zone can help you catch some trades. And with the shelf you might not cover all the distance that you need if you only just use like a tiny shelf. So and then just another LVN here, shelf here, looking good. Shelf and just like a resistance. And then kind of the same thing here, just a resistance here. And then this was a nice resistance that it was a support, and then we broke and retested, so it became resistance. And then we have this resistance here. This is near the it's overlapping with this HVN on the 5-day. And then nothing really looks good there, market structure wise. And then we go up to here. And then we've got this resistance, which is kind of like a shelf as well. Pretty nice. So I should probably stop here for zones, because I mean we're probably not going up more than like a couple hundred points. Where are we right now? Wait, we're all the way at, whoa, that's crazy. Yeah, we're not going up to like 1,000 points or something. So I mean, really, you really should be focused on like here ish, because right now we're in an uptrend. So like once you get here, I'm gonna try to long from like, I'm gonna try to like one go like make it go up as it like comes back, like as it fully like pierces the shelf, and then I want it to like accept into the balance area, then come back here, and then I can try to long. And then for this LVN, I just want like a little break and retest and TP over there, or you could just take like a nice breakout trade sometimes if there's just like a lot of like momentum, tape speeds up like really fast. You can just boom, you take the trade as it's like running in your favor like really fast. There's like a tape bomb or something. So Yeah, I don't know how much lower we can go though. That's the thing. Because the thing is like when you look at NQ, like on the 1 hour time frame or something, just go. Like you need to understand though. We were in like before March, right? March has been very bearish. But for the most part, we were just like in this range. We were kind of just like within this value area, like for a very long time. Well, not that long. Well, actually, yes. Like from February, early February-ish, all the way to like March 22nd, March 29, March 19th, somewhere in there. Like a little over a week ago. And then once that happened, we basically like we broke out of the balance. So like we broke out of the balance. Oh, let me see. Okay, so this would be failed auction here. This would be the little bit of balance low. So then yeah, basically we were able to accept out of it. And then once that happened, basically now it's like I don't use any, like a yearly profile or something, so I have nothing below here. So to me, it's like I guess it could kind of just keep going down indefinitely, basically. I mean, obviously, every 1,000 points, there's gonna be some strong support, but at the end of the day, I mean, yeah, once now that we've, there's a lot of volatility in the market with the war and everything, and yeah, you don't really know what's gonna happen. So, I mean, I would like to go back up just so like I have more to trade off of in terms of like shelves and stuff. But it's not like if it just and like my plan is to long, right? But like the thing is like if it could just, it could never come back to this range. It could just keep going down and then I don't know, we could just end up at like freaking I don't even know, in the 22,000s, 21,000s. Like we could just keep going down. Cuz the thing is, right, like this war, this Iran war, um it's going to take a long time and it's going to be like because the thing is like Iran is like very hard to invade because of the terrain and everything. So the governments of Israel and United States, they want to invade Iran and whatnot, but and have regime change and all that. But the thing is, it's gonna be a very prolonged conflict, and like years, and then we're still probably gonna lose. So actually, I don't know if that's bullish or bearish. I actually have no idea. But what I do think is that every time there's some kind of like ceasefire talk or something, will go up, and those will be like the big pullbacks, and then once that doesn't work, the ceasefire thing doesn't work, whatever, and we'll just keep going back down. So I don't know. I think we could just go to like 22,000 or 21,000 or something. But yeah, these are the levels. And I'm pretty confident that I'll get some nice trades off of them tomorrow. And yeah, that's really all that matters. So yeah, hope you guys trade good on Monday. And yeah, that's it.